ब्रह्मतत्त्वविदां मुक्तिः पाक्षिकी नियताथवा पाक्षिक्यपान्तरतमः प्रभृते जन्म कीर्तना नानादेहोपभोक्तव्यम् ईशोपाधिफलं बुधाः भुक्त्वाधिकारी पुरुषा मुच्यन्ते नियता ततः
ब्रह्मतत्त्वविदा मुक्ति पाक्षिकी अथवा नियता। संधि पाक्षिकी अपांतरतम प्रभृत। अपांतरतम प्रभृते जन्म कीर्तना पाक्षिकी अपांतरतम प्रभृते जन्म कीर्तना पाक्षिकी। सेकंड थिंग बुधाः अधिकारी पुरुषाः नाना देहोपभोक्तव्यम् ईशोपास्ति फलम् भुक्त्वा मुच्यन्ते ततः नियता। मुक्ति नियता, नियता फेमिनिन बिकॉज मुक्ति ही नियता। डाउट ब्रह्म तत्वविदाम in the case of Brahmajnani means Brahmajnani, not modern who have picked up some Vedanta and then not Paroksha Jnani, Paroksha, we say Brahma Sakshatkara, Brahmavagati or Brahma Sakshatkara who have got nothing short of it. Otherwise they will say that. So you should know that what is who are referred to. So they will say, so that is Brahma Tattvedam Mukti Pakshiki means not definite. Some get, some don't get. So that is Pakshiki means not definite, means may or may not get. Athava or Niyata. Niyata means definite. One who is Brahmavid invariably gains moksha. So Pura Paksha. Apantaratama prabhrute janma kirta. Apantaratamaha is a Veda Pravartaka Acharya. At the behest of Vishnu, he took the embodiment of Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa. This is what the Purana says. Apantaratamaha is a Veda Pravartaka Acharya. At the behest of who? Lord Vishnu, he took that is embodiment of Krishna Dvaipayana. Krishna Dvaipayana is Vyasa. Now, this Veda Pravartaka Acharya is a Jnani, Brahma Jnani. And now what is what? Born as what? And then lamenting for some Shuka. Oh Shuka! Oh Shuka! Oh Shuka! Oh Shuka! Brahmadan Bhagaya. What is this? Why did he not get moksha? The Janma Kirtana means it is told in the Smritis etc. that he has taken the birth. If you are a Jnani, you should not take the birth. Therefore what? Pakshiki, not definite. Not definite. This is what? Pura Siddhanta. Buddhaha Adhikari Purushaha. Sir, you are referring to those Brahmajnani who are Adhikari Purusha. Already seen who are Adhikari Purusha? Because of Ishvara Upasana in the past life, here they have got a specific type of prarabdha wherein they don certain posts and have got varied embodiment and multiple prarabdha. The Adhikari Purushaha Nana स्वादेहोपभोक्तव्यम ईशोपास्ति फलम भुक्त्वा भुक्त्वा having experienced the phala result on account of that Ishvara upasana with that pure phala which is what experience in what many embodiments. That Ishvara upasana phala is not experience in one embodiment, many embodiment. It takes the many embodiment. So the Bhuktva says Muchyante. Finally what happened? They muchyante. It is just like an ordinary person who has got Brahma Jnana, his duration of prarabdha. So he will not be Mukta immediately. Mukta means Jivan Mukta possible. Videya Mukta not possible. When Videya Mukti will be there? After the Deha Tyaga. So that is how it is. So that we say Purusha Tataha, therefore what? Niyata. Niyata means Mukti hi Niyata. Definite. Brahmajnana is that definite. So that you don't see, that depends on the adhikaritva of that person. Yavad adhikaram avasthitihi adhikarikana Anvaya. Before that, if you want, Jnanalaya. Line 1. Saguna vidyasu vyavahita phalasu sarvasu api gati arthavati iti uktam. This is all the Saguna Brahma Vidya, whether the mention of gati is there or not, it is applicable. Idanim nirgunayam api vidyayam sadyo mukti phalatva anavagamat kalantara bhavitva bhavi phalatva visheshat avishishta gati gatehe arthavatta iti ashanke. Doubt is looked here. There it is applicable to all. But here in Brahma Jnana, Sadhya Mukti is not there at all. What is Sadhya Mukti? Brahma Jnana ho gaya, moksha ho gaya. Nahin. So Kalantara, because see, these Adhikari Purushas are slogging. Ishat Marvata Pavate, somebody's knock is there on the head. So that is that. Means in course of time, they will gain the moksha. Therefore they also should have gati. This is the doubt. They also should have the gati. So from this answer is given, no, it is not so. Ratnaprabha, line 4, last word. Nirguna vidyayam gati vyartha mukti phalatva. Saguna, in Nirguna vidya, Brahma vidya, mukti, gati is useless because moksha is the result. There is no lokantara prapti, marga prapti is not there. So, Saguna vidyasu sarvatra arthavati. Saguna vidyasu sarvatra arthavati means it is prayojanavati. It is useful everywhere. Everywhere means what? In all the upasana. Arthavati. Why? Brahmaloka phalattvaditi vyavastha krita. This is the rule made. For Nirguna Brahma Vidya, gati is not applicable. Why? Because moksha is the phala. For Saguna Brahma Vidya, Brahmaloka is the prapti. Therefore gati is necessary. This rule was made. It says sana yukta. This vyavastha is not correct. This shanka. No. Why? Tattva jnaninam api itihasadav punarjanma darshanena jnanasya mukti phalatva bhavat iti akshepat sangati. We are not studying much. थोड़ा कुछ ब्रह्म सूत्र पढ़ा है. So you should read Mahabharata, Ityas Ramayana, Bhagavata Purana, and all these things you have to read. So what is that? Vidya, that is it. Tattvajnanam api. Even in the case of Tattvajnani, Itihasadhav, Itihasa, like Mahabharata, Adi for Puranas, the Puranas are. So even for Tattvajnani, Punarjanma Darshanena, reverse is seen that the result Jnanasya Mukti Phalatva Bhava. He rules on. Jnana cannot be the means of. It is Akshepat Santati. Akshepat Santati. Anvaya. सूत्र आधिकारिकाणां यावदधिकारम् अवस्थितिः। आधिकारिकाणां means अधिकार संपन्नानां, those who are appointed on a particular post, those who are donning the post. What post it is? Loka Vyavasthashu Adhikar. Like assistant, deputies of formation in the ruling, the administrating the Jagat creation. So, Adhikara Sampannana. Loka, yes, Adhikara. Yavad Adhikaram. So long as that prarabdha of that Adhikara continues, Avasthitihi. Avasthiti means abidance in that particular embodiment. Abidance in that means they continue in that deha until that. It can be same deha, it can be many dehas, either giving up earlier dehas or retaining the earlier dehas, depending on the prarabdha.